What's going on, y'all? What's going on? We got some GBP news popping off right now. And then we got Euro news. We have a Euro summit going on all day today. And then at 9 a.m., we got USD news. That's what the news is looking like today. So we had a lot of stuff basically take place this week. We had a huge push to the upside. And then yesterday and today, prices basically retraced nearly half the amount it went this week. We're still bullish though. So we're still going to look for buys on GJ. If it can hold 191.30 as support, we can look for buys going to 191.80. Now, if it keeps on pushing down, and especially if it breaks past 190.50 and starts holding as resistance, then I'm not going to pull the trigger on buys. But right now, we're going to watch to see how it reacts to these next couple of levels right here. Same thing kind of happened with GM. Rejected. We're still bullish. As we can see, we're still respecting this on the higher low below us. But we're failing to hold 10.20 as a support, which is what we need for the uptrend to continue. So we're going to watch and see if price can break back above that level, hold that support. If we're right there, just broke though, but failed to hold that support. So if we can push back and hold that support, we can look for a buy there. Or if it retraces back and it can hold 965 as support, we can still look for buy. But yeah, we're just watching price right now, seeing what it's about to do, what's about to go down. GA, we went for an EA sell last night with the members. SL got hit. Again, GA did that push down. EA did a similar push down. And then yesterday, price reversed back up. We're going to just leave it alone right now. So we're going to be watching the JPY pairs. We're going to be watching the New Zealand pairs. And then we're going to look at gold as well. The gold's kind of doing the same thing also. We just had like a bunch of retracements and reversals take place the past couple of days. So we're going to see if GJ can break right above this level right here. Just dropped a video yesterday. If you haven't watched it yet, make sure to check that out. If you guys got any questions, drop them in the chat. We'll look at any charts, drop them in the chat. But we're just chilling, patiently waiting right now. What's going on, John? What's going on, JD? I see y'all in here. Those just joined the stream, we haven't entered anything. Free Telegram. You see on your screen how we did last month and last quarter. Go ahead and hit that first link. Check that out for yourselves. We're watching GJ and GN right now. We're looking at possible GN buy, and we're looking at possible GJ buy right now. Just because EA, we can talk about EA really quick. We can pull that up. So yeah, so it's been ranging for, as we can see, like we talked about this. I don't remember, we talked about this like a day or two ago. Like we was talking about, it's been ranging and consolidating since the middle of January. It's struggled to hold 66, 15, 66, 20 as support, which was needed for the uptrend to continue, which we can see right here. Held at support twice, failed to make a higher high twice, then rejected. You'll see here that price failed to break this level here from a support to resistance, which would have been needed for the downtrend to continue. So this week, price again rejected this level and it was pushing down. So we went for a sell while it was holding this level as resistance, but there wasn't enough volume to break through this and break this level, so price reversed back up. So if it can hold this level as support, it's going to need to break these next two levels at 6650 and 6700 for the uptrend to continue. So that's what's going on with EA right now. You guys got any questions? Drop in the chat. We're any charts, drop in the chat. Those are just showing the sprint. We're looking at for a couple setups right now. Just waiting for our confirmations to see if they're met. We're looking at possible GN buy and a possible GJ buy. Gold and the indices, I'm leaving them alone for right now. Gold's reversing. Not really gonna look for a sell yet on it. Just let it do its thing. And then NAS, it's kind of just a no man's land right now, so I'm just gonna let it do its thing. Just dropped a new video the other day. If you haven't checked it out yet, make sure to check it out. We just had GP news pop off. As far as what else is going on today, we have Euro Summit going on all day today. And then at 9 a.m., we got USD news popping up, but that's pretty much it for today. Make sure to hit that first link in the description to our free signal and free Telegram. You see on your screen how we did last month and last quarter. Go ahead and hit that first link and check it out for yourselves. No problem, Jaden. No problem. We might see some action here. Yeah, so it's been an interesting week, honestly. Like with the news and stuff, because we had the reversal of Euro USD that was taking place this week. Then we had price reject his lower reverse up, cancel out the entire move, and then your price just brought us all the way back down. So we're back bearish on this. So I wonder if gold's going to follow Euro USD and GBPUSD's lead. Because gold, we could kind of see a similar move end up happening, especially if we can break past 2158 again. So I have some alerts down. So let's see if Euro USD can break this level or not. Sorry, did a decent move for the day. I'm interested to see if we can break this level right here. Yeah, then G and the G's are just rejecting, so we're just gonna let them do their thing. Those joining the stream, we haven't entered anything yet. This is just a trade idea. We haven't entered anything yet. Make sure to hit that first link in the description or free signal or free Telegram. You see on your screen how we did last month and last quarter. Go ahead and hit that first link and check it out for yourselves. So I was looking for a buy here, but as we can see, GN did not hold that level of support. It's rejected. So we're going to watch to see how it reacts to this level. Those that just joined, we went over this in the beginning of the live. Basically, what's going on with a lot of these charts, they're basically like canceling out the moves that took place this week. If we go back to how this week started, this was Monday. Monday, price didn't do a thing at all. Then Tuesday, price shot up. Then we had Wednesday, price didn't do a thing at all. Then yesterday, price rejected level and reversed back down. And this is what we have taking place right now. Price pushed up, failed to break and hold that, which would have been needed for the uptrend to continue. So now we're watching to see if the uptrend is going to continue or if we're going to possibly see a reversal back down. We saw a similar thing happen, or same thing happen with GJ as we speak. Again, we look at Monday, not a damn thing happened. Tuesday and Wednesday, price shot up, breaking the highs to the left. And then yesterday, today, price canceling out the entire move that took place this week. We look at gold. Same exact things happen. Right? We look at Monday. Where's it at? Tuesday. We had yesterday and today. So that's what's happening with a lot of these charts right now. Again, not a damn thing we can do about that. We don't control the markets. Because that's why I always thought it was important to understand what's taking place, what's going on. Because if you can't look at the charts and kind of see and put things into perspective like that, with what's taking place right now, you can be very confused and lost. You get what I'm saying? Well, that's why we're not really rushing anything right now either. We're just watching and seeing if they can hold these levels or not. You guys got any questions, drop them in the chat. We'll be looking at the charts, drop them in the chat. But we're just chilling, patiently waiting right now. Got a new 15 about to pop up in a second. Yeah, so GJ is all the way back to where we started this week at. So we're just gonna let it do its thing right there. We're still watching to see if how GN's gonna react here. Yeah, price is chilling right now. Shout out everybody watching the live. I know it can be boring. It is what it is, and nothing I can do about it. Playlists are up to date, so make sure to check out the playlist, especially over the weekend. Make sure to follow me on Instagram and TikTok too. Y'all see it scrolling at the bottom of y'all screen. Instagram's playmaker_way, TikTok's _playmakerway_. Post daily on both pages. Now, as far as how we're doing so far this week, we are 3-2 or 2-1. Let's see. I have to double check. Yeah, we're 2-2 for the week. So yesterday we didn't take a trade. We took a trade last night though, took a loss on that. And then this is how we ended Wednesday. Wednesday we went 1-1, took a nice US30 buy, and then Tuesday we took a loss. Then Monday we took a win with GP New Zealand, got 88 pips. So that's how we're doing so far this week. That's how we did last week. Last week we went 3-1. It was a 75% win rate. Then the week before that we went 4-0. So that's how we're doing so far this month. How we did last month, we went 17-1. It was a 94% win rate. Caught a total of 24,403 picks, 24,305 strictly with the members and the SPX500. You can see that by scrolling to March 3rd. You click there, it's going to take you to the beginning of February. And then you can see how we did February. This is how we did January with 20-0. Beginning of every week, we drop the Sunday chart analysis, going over what we see price doing for the week. A lot of stuff was projected this week. This week was just kind of one of those weird weeks because literally price went up or went down depending on the chart and then just reversed to cancel out the entire move. So like we've been going over this last year, literally right back kind of where we started the week at. Yeah, Regina's just kind of just chilling right here. Yeah, so I'm gonna pay attention to EU. This event next week's gonna be interesting for sure. And we even see on the weekly calendar, again, this is where price started at this week, went all the way up and just literally reversed and just pointed back right where we started the week at. All right, this was Monday, this was Tuesday. Had a nice push up. Now we're coming all the way back down. All right, this was Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Then we had that news, FOMC, which was this candlestick right here. That's when price broke out that level. We had chilled here all day yesterday, well, Wednesday. Then yesterday, price reversed. We're seeing this happen on literally like almost every single chart. Doesn't matter if it's a currency pair, indice, gold. We're seeing this happen with all the charts. Am I still holding US30? On one of my accounts. On most of my accounts, I got wicked out though. I'm holding on like one of my accounts. So most of my accounts, I got wicked out of that US30 player. So since I have multiple accounts, I use them to do different things. Like some accounts I'm a little bit more aggressive with. Other accounts are strictly like where I'm trying to make a certain amount every single day. But yeah, so this is the move it did. I got wicked out like when price retraced right here. So around when price was at this level, which was around like 38, 680-ish, I had put my stop loss like below, I think it was like 39, 630 or something like that. So I got wicked out when price consolidated. Realistically, I could have put my stop loss a lot lower, but better safe than sorry. All right, but again, once you understand price, it's very simple to kind of figure out what price is about to do next. But also, which is most important, understand what price is doing at the moment. Right? Because a lot of people, especially when I first started, I used to have this issue. I might have known when to enter a trade, but that was confused. I had no idea what was taking place while I was in the trade. You get what I'm saying? Understand how to read the charts is very, very, very important. And I broke down that US30 trade in the video I dropped yesterday, by the way. So make sure to check that video out. Yeah. As right now, we're in any positions. Took a loss last night. Looking for a couple more entries, possibly. Watching GJ, watching GN, and then watching EU. Not really too interested in gold or the indices today. Again, we got news later on at 9 o'clock for the USD pairs, so keep that in mind. What else we got here? Okay, you got what down profit though, right? Yeah, profit. Always moving in profit. Always secure profit. Always secure profit. Okay, cool. You still got a bit about pips, yep. That's ultimate goal. You know what I'm saying? When we start thinking long term, not just with trading in life, it's gonna make this a lot simpler as well. But yeah, like I always talk about the disclaimers whenever I call a free signal. Let me see if I can find it really quick. Right, when it's blue, it is on you. Profit is never yours until you move SL in profit or close the trade. Right? Use proper risk, do not over leverage. Every trade is not guaranteed to go all the way to the final TP or in our favor. Stick to your trading goal, don't get greedy. And always risk 1 to 5% of your account per trade. When you do all that stuff, and on top of you know how to actually calculate your lot size, you know how to read the charts, you got a good understanding of risk reward. It's literally impossible to lose long term. I'm not saying it's impossible to lose a trade because you're going to lose a trade every now and then. But long term, especially blowing accounts, it's literally impossible to blow an account when you do that stuff. You follow those rules. And as far as actually, I had that for a reason. And wins will always cancel losses like this as well. There's a lot of this today. Sorry, people are live. Shout out to everybody who's in here. Appreciate y'all. Because again, we look at this week, we compare it to last week, or we look at today, compare it to yesterday. We compare yesterday to Wednesday to Tuesday, Tuesday to Monday happened, and we're going to see different things take place on both a daily and weekly basis, right? Again, like I always say, it's a lot different from working a job, right? Unless you're like in sales or something in those sorts or that area. Usually most jobs you do the same thing every single day. You show up the same time every single day. As long as you don't call off, you work the same amount of hours, you get the same paycheck amount every single week, every single 2 weeks. But trading is a little bit different, right? It's literally like kind of a business. You might show up the same time every day. You might look at the same charts every day, but the things that turn out on a daily basis, the results are different, right? The trend's going to be different every day, every week. The volume's going to be different. The news events, holidays, there's a bunch of different variables. Right? But the sooner you understand and accept that, the easier trading is going to be, because you got a lot of stuff comes to just a lack of accepting the reality or just like understanding what's taking place. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, members, be able to look out for the New York price watch list in a couple of hours. Going on the chart still, I want to take a look at another position between now and the New York session. But like always, if I don't see anything I like, I'm not going to pull the trigger. That's just how it's going to be. And that's how y'all should trade as well. Because again, the goal isn't to try to take X amount of trades every day. The goal is to go for high probability, high quality setups. And if your rules aren't met or you simply don't like what you see, you don't have to take a trade. It's okay to not trade every day. Even though it would be nice to trade every day, but you have to be able to discern and make those decisions. You know what I'm saying? And again, it's a long-term game. All right, y'all, but we're gonna be live same time next week. Y'all enjoy the weekend. Y'all want to contact me directly, y'all can DM me on Instagram or Telegram. You see the Instagram scrolling at the bottom of y'all screen, playmaker_way. And then Telegram's first link in the description. Make sure to join that. Make sure to explore both the Telegram. Make sure to explore the Instagram, TikTok. Make sure to explore the YouTube. And yeah, we out.